Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Aarsun Woods, and in this video we are discussing about a luxury 12-seater dining table along with chairs. Luxury furniture, royal furniture, Maharaja furniture, classic furniture, premium furniture, or just call it Aarsun furniture, because all these terms comes to Aarsun, and the quality, the design, the pattern, the size, the fabric, everything is as per your choice. We have one unit here, and I've shown you hundreds of such designs earlier as well, and this is an example, just another example of the craftsmanship, the amazing artisans we have. And this is a dining set I'm showing you now. We'll discuss about the sizes part, about the design part, about the double carving part, master chair or king or queen chair as we call it, the handles part, the carving part also. I'll give you all these details in this video. Before that, let me quickly give you the chair design first. If you see the chair here, it's a heavy chair, solid teakwood. I'll turn this one. Here, it's a 2 by 2 feet. The height is 4 feet. A wide chair, I'll sit on it. So you'll see the overall design. A wide chair, and the design part that you have on the front, similarly, you have on the back as well. And this is the beauty of the chair. The overall look, the overall design is on both sides. And when you have a dining table, generally it is visible from all the sides because they are put with a space on sides, and somebody has to walk from that side or this side. Even the server, they have to move all the sides. So the back is always visible. And double carving is an amazing concept in dining tables. The chair broadly has two things. One is without handle and one is with handle. I'll show you the handle chair also. This one is a chair with handles. They're also called master chairs, also called king queen chairs because they rest on the sides, the corners, both corners. The size of this table is 12 feet by 5 feet. It's a wide table, and that is why we have two chairs on this side and two chairs on that side, four chairs on both sides each, and a very open and spacious design as you can see. We have got some carving on the top as well, and once you place glass on top of it, it's ready for use. Even if you don't want to put the glass, you can use table mats, and this works fine. The color here is gold rush. This is not gold finish or antique gold, this is gold rush, and one of our most popular colors these days. People like it so much. And in teak wood, solid teak wood, hand carving, the design that you see hand carved beautifully and amazingly well, that we always love about our Aarsun furniture. This set is going to Hyderabad, and as I mentioned about the handle chair, the master chair. Majorly, when you have a master chair, there's an issue. The chair doesn't go inside because these sides, the width is quite designer. They are going down. Here we have a sleek design, and the chair is going right inside. As you can see, the handle is going inside. And this is what generally the point is. People want the chairs to go inside, but handle chairs, when we have broader sides, they don't go inside, they sit outside. And this is how we discuss the space required for the dining as well. This is a 12 feet table, 2 feet and 2 feet, two chairs on both sides. So 12 plus 4, 16 feet, and then some area to move around. So around 18 to 20 feet of area you require on this side. And similarly, this is 5 feet, 2 plus 2, 4, so 9 feet, and then some area to move around. So you can take 2 or 3 feet extra. So 12 feet of area you require on this side. So approx 20 by 12 feet of area you need for this dining to work properly, for everybody to move easily. But this size, as you can understand, 12 seater is a big size. So generally we have bigger rooms when we are placing these kind of designs. Talking about the tables are generally of two types with the legs. So generally we have four legs, but this is a longer one, so we can get more legs in the middle, or a pillar one. But this one has a different design in the middle. It's almost like a table we have. I'll just show you. Let me move the chairs. These are heavy chairs, so I need a little more help to move them. Let's look at the base. Now this is from a center table, and the design completely, as you can see, 360-degree carve completely from all the sides. The design you see on this side, similarly we have on the other side, and all the sides are carved. And this is solid teak wood, and this is the amazing part. When we have solid teak wood carved so beautifully, it gives the unit the luxury look that we always talk about, that we always love in Aarsun furniture. Broadly, 3 points. First thing, size, design, color, pattern, fabric. That means everything as per your choice. How you want it, just like the design on top we have. You want something else, you want your name to be written on this, you want your company's logo, your any other thing you want here, some design pattern, let us know and we can do that. And the size part, as I mentioned, this is 12 by 5. You want a smaller size, you want a little oval shape, you want a round dining, or you want some other pattern, you can let us know and we can make it accordingly. For the top also, there are several options. This one is a carved top. You can go for open top, you can go for marble top, onyx top. These are the options. You can let us know how you want it and we will make it accordingly. The fabric, as you can see, is a patch fabric. Patch is generally this design that we have uh, on this fabric. The base is velvet, and then we have this patch, and this has got several and so many patterns, so many designs. You want something else, let us know. In fabric, there are millions of options. Color, as I mentioned, this is gold rush in PU finish. You want polish, and you want natural finish, you want walnut color, darker color. Then there are gold, silver, and white, and off white, and white with gold highlighting, and dual shade, triple shade, champagne finish. And then we have gold leafing, silver leafing. All these things we have done already, and so many videos on YouTube to show you the actual work. Let us know how you want it. Everything as per your choice, because Aarsun makes choice wala furniture. And the other point is factory price, delivered right to your home in India or out of India where you want it. Best price furniture, top quality, the brand of Aarsun, and safe home delivery. Because these kind of units require specialist packing people who know how to pack it properly so it can be transported safely to your place. And that's what we have been doing for so many years for thousands of clients across the globe. And that you can check in our testimonial section on the website, where we have so many pictures that are visible from the client's home worldwide. The number is right here. You can let us know what you like, what you want, and we'll be discussing and we'll make something really beautiful and amazing, your choice wala furniture, and deliver it right to your home. Please contact us. Thank you. Dhanyavad.